Okay, we're going to be adding and subtracting fractions and to finish them in mixed numbers. Mixed numbers is when you have a whole number, like 4, and then behind it a fraction. You want to make sure that fraction that's behind the whole number is simplified. So this is our method. First, we're going to do a cross multiplication. 2 times 5, which is 10, and a 4 times 1, which is 4, and drop down the plus. For the bottom, we're going to multiply the denominators. 4 times 2, which gives us 8. Then we're going to add 10 plus 4, and we get 14 over 8. Now we're going to take our 14 over 8, and we're going to start creating our mixed numbers. To create our mixed numbers, we're going to subtract. So 14 take away 8 will be 6. So we'll get 6, because 14 take away 8 is 6, over 8, and every time you do a subtraction, you'll get a 1. Now, 6 over 8, we don't need to subtract anymore because 6 is too small, but we can simplify, and the greatest common factor for 6 and 8 is 2, so both of these can be divided by 2. So we will end up getting 1 and 3 over 4, and that's our mixed number. Here, let's do the same thing here. We're going to say this will be 6 times 7, and that's 42. And 8 times 5, that's going to be 40. And then bring down our subtraction. On the bottom, we're going to multiply 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. So 42 take away 40 will give us 2 over 48. We're going to take our 2 over 48 and we're going to simplify that because there's no more. So this can't turn into a mixed number. So I'll divide by 2 here, divide by 2 here, and this will give me 1 and 24. Okay, next. All right, here. We're going to multiply 6 times 7. And 6 times 7 is 42. And we're going to multiply 3 times 5. That'll be a 15. Bring down the plus. On the bottom, we're going to multiply 3 times 6, which gives us 18. So when we add these two, 42 added to 15 will give us 57 over 18. Now from here, we're going to start subtracting so we can get our mixed number. So 18 from 57 leaves 90. Let's see, it's 5, 4, 3. 3. 39 over 18, and every time you subtract, you're going to get a 1. Now let's subtract again. 39 take away 18 will be 21 over 18, and every time you subtract, you add another 1, so now we have 2. Now let's take our 2 and 21 over 18. Let's subtract again. So 18 from 21 leaves 3. So this will be a 3 over 18, and another subtraction gives us 3. And now I want to simplify by dividing both the numerator and denominator by 3. And this will give us the final answer of 3 and 1 over 6. Okay, on the last one, we're going to cross multiply. 9 times 7 is 63. 4 times 5 is 20. And we're going to bring down our subtraction. On the bottom, we're going to multiply 4 times 9, which will give us 36. Okay, subtraction. 63 take away 20 leaves 43, and that'll be over 36. Now we're going to take our 43 over 36, and we're going to subtract. Because the numerator is larger, that'll give us a 1, or a mixed number, should I say. Alright, so 36 from 43 is, let's see, 4 plus 3 is 7, so it'll be 7 over 36, and there's my 1. And the numerator is finally smaller than the denominator, which is great. And there's nothing I can divide 7 and 36 by other than a 1. So this is simplified.